Hello and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be making a manometer to measure pressure. For this project, you will need clear piping, an empty water bottle, a balloon, some zip ties or clamps, a piece of cardboard and a crafting knife. Cut off a small length of the clear piping. Make a U shape with it with one side longer than the other as shown and mark the points where you'll be fastening it to the cardboard. Attach it to the cardboard in the same U shape as before using glue, tape, clamps or zip ties. Fill the tube with a little bit of colored water. When you're done, it should look something like this. This works just like a straw. When there is more pressure on one side, the water will go down, and when there is less pressure, the water will come up. Here, the tube is connected in the right side. And since there is fast moving air, there will be low pressure and so the water is sucked up. But to measure liquid pressure, we need something extra. We need to glue the instrument which we have made to the long tube of the manometer. Our manometer is ready. Time for a test. Here the tube is connected to the right side. When I press on the balloon, it will create more pressure that will push the water down on the right side. Let's test this in water. You can see the pressure rises when we put it in. As we go deeper, we can see that the pressure rises. At the same height of water, we don't have any difference, as you can see. Here you can see as the water moves, the balloon moves with it. That's it for today guys. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.